I sanitized my phone.
Coronavirus!
We just got coffee. Good morning.
I wanted to drink coffee through my mask.
We are here getting coffee before paragliding at 507 in Thousand Oaks. Shout out to Caitlin, who's close by, but can't hang out with her unfortunately. But
Coronavirus! Hi Caitlin, what up?
Mine was almost $7. I almost peed when he gave me the total. It's this like really good looking oat milk latte, and I asked him for a recommendation. He was like adding all these things. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. And then it was kind of too late because I already asked him for the recommendation. He was like, would you like to add a tip? I was like, no, sir. So yeah, I feel I'm all for tipping, supporting local businesses. Like, please don't get me wrong, but like when the coffee is $7, like that's the tip in itself, you know?
Mine was $2, so I did tip. To catch you up to speed, nothing is open today, which, you know what, I kind of support because this pandemic is crazy. So like I would rather not be around crowds at the beach, but it also sucks because I want to be at the beach. So like if we could go and nobody else could go, that would be ideal.
Exactly.
We're going parasailing, which I'm super excited about. It's definitely on my bucket list. We bought the super expensive ones so we could go super high in the air. I want to bring my phone, but after the last time I wanted to bring my phone, it was not worth it.
He's just drawing off for credit cards. Tell them what happened.
Hannah like drifted away in the ocean, so I turned around to look at her. And I stepped on one leg on the paddleboard and I fell completely in with my phone.
So everything's wet. Yeah. Oh, we got pancakes. Those boys look good. Look at that. Okay. More when we get the camera.
Hotel's nice. We got a little gym in it. I worked out this morning.
Did a kick into a split and showed him what he was missing.
We worked out last night.
Do I have your attention?
Oh, we had some really good pizza yesterday.
We have some sassy workers though.
We wanted to get 2 slices each, and he was like, I only have 3 slices total. And then he didn't say that till after she had already paid. It was really weird.
Yeah, we like already bought it. He's like, wait, I only have 3. And we're like,
huh?
What?
All right, we just went parasailing. It was fun.
It was beautiful. I'm gonna go look at the website though and see how much we paid for, because that was like less than 30 minutes.
Yeah, it was very, very quick, and like we were the only people on the boat, so he said we were gonna go longer, and I really feel like we could have gone longer for the price that we paid, so that was a little disappointing, but it was really cool.
We saw dolphins, which was, I think, the best part so far for me. I love animals.
There were like 3 dolphins swimming together in a little pod. Yeah, now we're going to go eat. Goodbye. Your tire's in the curb. Your tire's in the curb.
Wait, no, that doesn't work. I think it has to be on one side.
We got a double bike. Yeah, how do we turn it around?
Hey guys, Hannah is filming while she's the driver.
Left. Say hi, Ben.
Hi.
Hi, Ben.
Ah! Okay, so we're on this bike. Bye. Okay, we bought another bathing suit.
Again. This one was cheaper.
Yeah, it was $20 for both pieces, so that's good. Okay, say something to the vlog, Ben.
Go America.
What?
Okay, what up? It is our last day. We're about to go get coffee and start driving. So we had a lot of fun and we're super tired. So yeah, Issa's in the bathroom. We will film again when we're in the car. Okay.
What's up? We just peed at the mission. Literally can't go like an hour without.
Like one of us has to go to the bathroom. Not always both of us, but always one of us. So.
It's like an emergency every time. It's not like we can wait another 30 minutes. Like, nope.
It's like a 9
right
out of
now.
10.
Yeah.
All right, we just bought snacks at Sprouts. Now we're going into the store. Look at this other store next to it. Looks good. Oh, that's so cute. We got the coffees. Look at Issa's.
Yeah.
That's hot. Okay. That girl that was in the store with us just gave me the weirdest smile.
That's awkward.
Whoa.
Good?
That's really good.
This is pure sugar.
It looks incredible. Is it good? You can taste the coffee?
Yeah, I can taste the coffee.
Oh.
Ooh, we're gonna have to stop on the way. We tan AF. Okay. Recap your top 3 favorite things.
Ooh, my top 3 in no like particular order would definitely be seeing the sea otters when we went paddleboarding. That was so cool. I've never seen them in real life like that. That was awesome. And the other top one would be yesterday when we were kayaking and we got to get Secret Beach that you could only get to from kayaking, because like we got our beach day even though it wasn't like what we planned for, so that was really cool too. Let me think of my third one. Do you have your top 3?
I feel like mine's like also like the like animal sightings, because I was not expecting to see the sea lions at all. The otters, like I definitely didn't think that was gonna be a thing. And then the dolphins, I've never seen dolphins in person. Like we didn't like see them up close, but we saw them coming out.
Oh, and my third is the campfire with Issa and I with the s'mores and the hot dogs. That was so fun.
That was super fun. A lot of things like surprised me.
And I thought just seeing the different beaches was really fun, because I've never been to Central Coast beaches actually, and they're so different than NorCal or Southern California beaches, so I just liked seeing different kinds of beaches. That was fun.
Yeah, that was awesome. All right, what was the most surprising thing for you about this trip?
I feel like even though a lot of stuff was closed and we were never around like big crowds or anything, like we were still able to find really fun things to do that were like open and safe, and you could like keep your distance from people. And that was really surprising to me. I thought it was either going to be like the stuff I normally do or nothing, you know, and that was not true at all. That would happen.
Yeah, honestly, like there was like nobody out. That really surprised me, that like it was just completely like empty. It was like off season for tourism, I guess.
Yeah,
So
it looked like
nice.
it was off season.
Yeah, that was really awesome. Okay, one thing that you wish you could have done while we were here.
I wish we could have gone to Malibu Lagoon. Issa's like, she likes caves. There's this cool lagoon beach with caves and cliffs and other like natural rock formations that's really pretty. I wish we could have gone there, but I mean, we can always do another trip. It's in California, so.
Yeah, I think I wish I've gotten a little bit more tan, so I guess that would have gone along with the beaches being open.
Sometimes she turns into my old gymnastics coach.
I think I have like a lisp. I'm not quite sure what happened. But then I think if like money wasn't an issue, I think doing the jet skis would have been dope. That would have been super cool. But they were like $120 for 1 hour.
Yeah.
And like I'm sure there was a deposit too.
Right.
Like that would have been cool.
Which is nuts. Like maybe next time, because parasailing was $100 a person, and that was not what we expected. That was probably one of the biggest letdowns of the trip.
Like it was awesome, but then at the same time I was like, wait, we thought this was gonna be like an hour worth of our time.
Yeah. So I think like next time we could do the jet skis and not do like kayaks and parasailing, because we've already done that now. So
yeah. Maybe we'll do the one where you like are in that like triangle kite.
Yeah, paragliding when you're on your tummy. Yeah, oh, that was
although
fun.
I don't know how the heck you land.
That's you're like, okay, hit the boat. Boom.
Yeah, when we were coming off the parasailing, we were like, wait, nobody told us how to get off this thing. We're like, we're just gonna land back on there.
Yeah, we just like booty bounce back onto the boat. Like
literally, seat dropped.